A hypothesis is a statement that predicts the relationship between variables or the outcome of a study. It is an educated guess about what will happen in the study. An alternative hypothesis, also known as the research hypothesis, is an opposing statement to the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis assumes that there is no relationship or difference between variables, while the alternative hypothesis suggests that there is a relationship or difference. Now let's explain this in a simplified way. Imagine you are curious about whether playing video games affects a person's mood. You decide to conduct a study to find out. First, you come up with a hypothesis. In this case, your hypothesis could be, playing video games affects a person's mood. This is your prediction or guess about what you think will happen in the study. You believe that playing video games will have an impact on a person's mood. Next, you need an alternative hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis is a statement that suggests the opposite of the null hypothesis. In our example, the null hypothesis would be, playing video games does not affect a person's mood. So the alternative hypothesis would be, playing video games does affect a person's mood. This alternative hypothesis suggests that there is indeed a relationship between playing video games and mood. Having both a hypothesis and an alternative hypothesis is important in psychology research because it allows researchers to test different possibilities. By comparing the results of the study to the alternative hypothesis, researchers can determine if their hypothesis was supported or not. If the alternative hypothesis is supported, it means that there is evidence to suggest that playing video games does affect a person's mood. In summary, a hypothesis is a prediction about what will happen in a study, while an alternative hypothesis is a statement that suggests the opposite of the null hypothesis. By having both, researchers can test different possibilities and determine if their predictions are supported by the evidence.